Today I have a new to me palette. It came from BoxyCharm. It's a Natasha Denona, and it's called the Alloy palette. Looks like that. She usually does special palettes for BoxyCharm, and I like them. They're not new shades. I think she takes them from certain palettes and just creates a new color story. So I'm gonna use this today for my eyeshadow. I already have my eye primer on. I'm gonna go into this cream matte powder, which is called Flesh right here, and put that in my outer V. Ipsy's a great way to try Natasha Denona shadows. She's in there quite a lot. At least I would say at least 3 times a year. So I got eyeshadows from Pat McGrath, you know, stuff like that. And they're like her midi palettes. When she has them on, when they're on sale in Ipsy, they're like half off. They're 30 something versus the $69 price tag. Try Natasha Denona. Joining the Ipsy BoxyCharm subscription is a way. I pay $47 or $43, and I like it. I get a nice beauty pick, a really nice high-end palette that I got another Natasha Denona palette, which is that sage green one, which I haven't used yet. I bought it already, but I'm gonna take the palette from them and I'm gonna do a giveaway with it, so stay tuned for that. I'm just deepening up my outer V right now. And then I need my little, I'm gonna go into a metallic and put that on my lid. The quality is Natasha Denona quality. It's good for this palette. Those hurt taking those off. I'm going to take this rougher number 16 and try to soften out this deep color. Blend it out some more. I have to practice on my eyeshadow technique. I'm gonna speed through my base makeup. I will show you what I'm using. That's it. That's my video. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.